In this video, I'll show you how to import customers from Shopify into Odoo using the TeqStars Shopify Connector. Let's get started. This is our Shopify instance overview screen. To import customers, click the Operations button. When you click it, the Operation Wizard will open. This wizard contains all the import and export operations supported by the TeqStars Marketplace Connector. For this video, we focus on importing customers. By default, the import operation is selected. If you switch to export, you'll see all the available export operations. For now, we'll continue with the import operation. Before importing customers, let's quickly look at the customer-related configuration available in the connector. Close the operation wizard and open your Shopify instance. Then click the Customer tab. Here you'll find all the customer-related configuration options. First, let's look at the receivable account setting. This option allows you to assign a specific receivable account when creating customers in Odoo instead of using the default account. You can configure this based on your business requirements. Next is the Create Company Contact option. When this option is enabled, the connector automatically creates a company contact if company information is available while importing the customer. If this option is disabled, only the customer record will be created. The connector also supports real-time customer creation using Shopify webhooks. To enable this feature, open the Webhook tab, scroll down, click Add a line, select the Create Customer webhook, enable the active checkbox, and save the configuration. Once this webhook is enabled, every new customer created in Shopify will be automatically created in Odoo. Now let's import customers manually. Click the Operations button again. In the Operation Wizard, make sure Import is selected and choose Customers as the operation. If you know the Shopify customer ID, you can enter it here. You can also enter multiple customer IDs to import multiple customers at the same time. If you leave this field empty, the connector will import customers based on the last import date. If a last import date is available, only customers created after that date will be imported. If no last import date is set, all customers available in your Shopify store will be imported. After selecting the required options, click Process. Once you click Process, you'll be redirected to the queue page. The customer import will be processed automatically in the background. If you want to process it immediately, simply click the Process Manually button available at the top of the page. The queue status will change to In Processing, and once the process is completed, the customers will be imported successfully into Odoo. To view the imported customers, return to the Shopify overview screen. Then click the Customers Smart button. Here, you can view all the customers that have been imported from Shopify into Odoo using the TeqStars Shopify Connector.